Ta-da! We got it mounted. Wood. And I'm gonna try to install the power supply. How does the power supply go? I got no idea what all these cables mean. Oh, that was a big cable. Look at this giant mess of cable. Your ATX power. Oh god, you're such a big boy. Okay, so I've connected ATX power with ATX power. Oh, you come off? Don't come off. What on earth? So this is ATX 12 volt. And this is ATX 12 volt. I think go in here. Does that make sense? SATA is for graphics card. Beta is for fans. Ooh, we probably need beta then. I would assume. The rest of those are SATA. I don't know if we need SATA right now. Oh wait a minute. That's a thingy that cables are to go through. I've discovered a thing. I have indeed discovered a thing. We've got this big power puppy that goes through there. And you can see, here's what it looks like so far. That's not a very good angle, is it? We got motherboard installed, we got some of these cables hooked up, we got a fan and pump all connected to the top there. Now we got to mess with our GPU and power supply here, which goes on the bottom. So there's one thing with the pins down here that there's one pin I'm not sure which way actually went. There's a positive and a negative, and I couldn't quite tell on the pin itself which one was positive and negative. See if I can have a second swing at that. Oh, okay, so it's got a little arrow on it. Oh, okay. Okay, that makes things a lot easier. If I'm looking at you like that, yes. Arrow means negative. That was completely unnecessary, but I did it. Okay, so that's Corsair stuff. Alright, so that's an issue solved. So I think next I'll do the graphics card installation here. The ultimate enchilada. Oh boy. Wow. Ooh. This is the thing. And this is the cable. Wow. Look at that. Oh, hold on. Static. And do the same thing with you I did with the motherboard. Copy you down, just like that. You see that? You can see that. So I got some cables here that are going to be a problem. Hold please. Take this cover off. Slide this. Holy crap. Cables! Okay, I didn't like how loud of a snap that was. I did like that it seemed like it went in and it worked. Okay, screws. And then, why do you give no information whatsoever on the case on this graphics holder support? Okay, so this is pretty cute. It got like a comic for an install guide. Done? What do you mean done? You haven't told me anything. Next, use the screws to secure the... What the hell does that even mean? Where are the screws? There are no screw holes. Oh, secure it there? Wait a minute. What? You came with the graphics card, and then you give no information thingy to it anywhere. The thing here is upside down. Why is it upside down? How do you install this freaking support bracket? So you need like literally all of the things here taken out. It made it look like you needed like one, and this beefy one needed two. There's no freaking screw for you, dude. What? Okay, so you've got the series of holes here. So the video shows this like going under here to support it. But the spacing on the holes here are so freaking horrible. Right? It's like one is covered up no matter what you do. You cannot screw in all of these holes. And then it's like it's like catching. So it looks like there's a little rubbery bit on the top there that gives it the support. But then it's like catching on the side here. Like, I am super OCD about something like this. God damn it, screw. Compulsed. To re-screw all of the original screws. It's like if you're gonna have support, let it be supportive. You know? Well, I guess this one's just not gonna have a screw. God, this is... I do not like this at all. What the... The next thing I would want to do is like... that one. So it's like, you get these two in, and then it's like... Your support here is like way more than it should be. And then you're scratching the shit out of it right there. Like, you would think that you would want some support over on this side, where it actually is gonna need the freaking support, right? Right, like, support, you should put support where it needs support. Okay. I've made some compromises and I've got it in, and I think that's good enough. I still don't quite comprehend how that stupid thing actually works. Open up the cable. You go on there. Lack of clicks. Wait a minute, is this PCIe? Does this one go to the power? Before I do any of that, wait a minute, is this my last piece? Am I done? Oh, hold on, I need a thing that I need to do. Should it be upside down like that? I mean, there's no other way, right? Wait a minute, why are you upside down? There's no other configuration that this can go, right? Well, the thingies are upside down. The symbols for it. What? I mean, that's fine. Okay, this is getting so much harder. You're getting heavy. So I need one more fan thingy, I think. I need tape or something. Your magnets are not strong enough. It'd be great if I could plug that in, but there's nowhere to plug that in. And one place to plug it in is like blocked on the motherboard. Okay, and with that I think I'm connected. I think the rest is just power. Ooh. Gosh, do you have a way that you're supposed to go? Is it that way or that way? Okay, so you know what? We are going to do a thing here where I'm going to put this in there like that. And these are all just going to come through that one. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, so this guy will go through you. And these guys are going to go through you. For some weird reason, the power supply is also upside down in this configuration. I don't know why that would be. Alright, so you got power. And there's a satisfying click. You've got ATX 12 volts. Two of them. You got a graphics card. Okay. So now that I've taken the freaking hard disk drives out, maybe my power supply will fit in here. Okay, so apparently that's correct. I am descending into chaos. Please, for the love of God, be long enough. Right, that should make things a little bit easier. Goodness gracious. Okay, so I got a big power thingy. Where do the other power thingies go? Manual. Now why are these two separate things? Can't you just like glue these together? Make it easy. Stay together! And so the cables are too goddamn short to go around the graphics card. Okay, so the ATX power. Where does the ATX power plug into? Hurrah! I think I'm done. I think I got it. I think I got all of it. So the things that I was thinking about the power supply, I had this all wrong. The motherboard side pin here is 1, and then it splits out into 2, both of those 2 which are supposed to go into the power supply. That ended up making a lot more sense after thinking about it that way. And then I saw a thing that said to use 2 cables here instead of 1 for the graphics card. We've got 2 PCIe slots with this cable that the graphics card came with, and everything's going into power. I reran these 2 12 volt cables that go to the motherboard. There's a 12 volt slot goes into I ran those around here and then down into the power supply, which is down there, and I'm fairly certain at this point that I've got everything else connected correctly. After a long time and a lot of frustration, it's done! Woo! So now I can take it, see if it works. Okay, we are finished. We are finished here with the build, and it looks so beautiful on the inside. I think everything's in there. I think everything's connected properly, and I think it's ready to try turn on. So next thing to do is to get all of my peripherals here opened and set up. So I'm gonna do that and see how this works. Ah, the new moment of excitement is here. I have plugged it in. It has power. It is officially ready to turn on for the first time, I think. Here it is. The moment of truth. Oh! Wait a minute. Having the monitor turned on probably helps. Okay, something's definitely happening. Lights are on. Oh, maybe I need to press that one. Okay, I pressed the thing and more things happened. Okay, so the motherboard lights are on. The cooler fan lights are on. Nothing's happening with the monitor. Wait, something's happening. Something's happening. Oh! Something's happening. Look, it's happening. Oh. CPU temperature is 31 degrees. The thing is on. It's working. It's working. It's working. The mouse works. The keyboard works too. Gee. I'm seeing things and it's working and I'm happy.